Hey guys, it's me, Leah Gavin with Team Exit Realty Sun City. Listen, I am sending you this quick message because, heads up, I'm going to be doing an open house this weekend. It's going to be on Sunday afternoon from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock for just that 2-hour window. But this is kind of different than what I normally do. And so that's why I wanted to shoot the video so that you know, because sometimes I get questions, people asking about properties they may not be ready to buy right now, but they want to do a rent to own or something with a lease option. So the open house I'm doing this Sunday afternoon from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock is exactly that, is a rent to own property. It's at, here's my flyer, 2323 West Cortez Street in Phoenix. It's just off of 23rd Avenue and Peoria. Come on out, I'll be out there from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Christmas cookies, eggnog, Christmas carols. No, not all that. I'm gonna have some bottled water, and you can come in and look at the property, check it out, because you don't want my Christmas cookies. You can come check it out and see if this would be something that fits your needs. Again, it's a rent to own property, so you don't have to worry about jumping through the hoops with the traditional banks, and it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. I'll see you then. Again, this is Leah. 623-552-3255 is the direct office number, or I'll see you Sunday from 1 to 3. Thanks.